Hello dear kids, Namaskar. I hope that you all are fine, well and you are enjoying video lectures. Today in this video, we are going to do chapter number 13, A and the. A and the are articles, and the learning objective of this lesson is, at the end of this topic, you will be able to revise how to use a or an before a given word. Even you will be able to identify the use of a and the before a given word. So, see the list here for better understanding. A comb, a toothbrush, an umbrella, an alarm clock, a ball. Dear kids, do you notice there are some words that have a before them and some words have n before them? See, some words have a before them and some words have n before them. Do you know why? Let us find out. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Out of this 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Out of this 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U are what? They are vowels. When a word starts with vowel, और मोस्ट स्पेसिफिकली विथ अ वोवेल साउंड वी यूज एन. जब कोई भी वर्ड वोवेल साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है या तो स्पेसिफिकली वोवेल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है, हम ए एन लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन इंजन. द वर्ड स्टार्ट विथ वोवेल ई, सो वी विल राइट एन बिफोर इट एंड से एन इंजन. एन umbrella likewise. Now the remaining letters of English alphabets are other than A, E, I, O, U are consonant. मतलब ऐसे लेटर्स जो रिमेनिंग है जिसको एक्सेप्ट A, E, I, O, U मतलब इन वर्ड्स को छोड़ के, जैसे कि B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These all are consonant. What are these? Those are consonant. Now dear kids, when a word start with a consonant letter or a consonant sound, we use a. कोई भी word जब consonant letter या consonant sound word से start होता है तो हम क्या लगाते हैं? अ लगाते हैं. For example, a pen. PEN वाला नहीं, ओके, इट्स अ पेन. पेन मीन्स जिसमें हम खाना पकाते हैं. अ comb, a toothbrush, a ball. Here in pan, as the word start with P, as you can see the word start with P consonant, so we will write a before it and say a pen. Alright. Now if you observe carefully, you will see that the use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the word, not on the actual letter with which it begins. Sometimes a word may begins with consonant, but we use the word n before it. Do you know why this happens? Let's see. Some words that begins with the consonant H have a vowel sound of h, like our. H is silent here, तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? AN. Why हमने N लगाया? क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे H जो है वो साइलेंट है. How we are saying this word? We are saying it as R. कौन सा साउंड आ रहा है? O का साउंड आ रहा है ना, तो इसलिए हमने N लगाया. Why? Because the word is sounding with vowel sound. Now similarly, dash hat. Here also H is there, but here H is showing consonant sound, h. H is showing consonant sound, h. That's why we had written a hat. Now let's see some more examples. We use the rule for some other words as well. Come, let's see. Sometime word that begins with vowel U has consonant sound Y. Like here, we use a before such words. Let us take the example of word unicorn. Here the vowel U has consonant sound y. Y का साउंड आ रहा है य. यूनिकॉर्न बोल रहे हैं हम, ठीक है. यूनिकॉर्न, Y sound is coming. So in such words we will write a unicorn. We will not write an unicorn. Okay. However, in case of the word umbrella, 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 in this umbrella, however, in the case of the word umbrella, it begins with the letter vowel U, but it has a vowel sound a. Umbrella. So we will use the word N before it. Why? Because umbrella. A is coming and A is vowel. So we will write an umbrella. Now dear kids, we use the word the before. There are three articles, that is A, N, the. तो हमने A और N के बारे में तो पढ़ लिया. अब देखते हैं the. We use the word the before noun to refer a particular person, place or thing. हम the का यूज कहाँ करते हैं? For particular person, place or thing. Let's see it. Here we use the word the before noun to refer a particular person, place or thing, as I told you earlier. For example, Jia has to pack the red hat that her aunt gave her. Alright, so here the red hat refers to a particular hat that her aunt gave her. That's why we had written the. जब भी हम पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस या थिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे तब हम द का यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. द वर्ड द used before a noun which refers to only one thing of its kind. मतलब जो यूनिवर्स में सिर्फ एक ही है उसके आगे भी हम क्या लगाएंगे? द. Though we say the earth is round and the sun is shining, likewise. The word the is also used before a noun which refers to the whole class of person, place, animal or thing. जब हम होल क्लास ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं तब भी हम द ही लगाते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ लिखा है द जिराफ इज द टॉलेस्ट एनिमल्स. हियर द जिराफ रिफर्स टू ऑल जिराफ. ऑलराइट, सो आई हैड रिटन द. नाउ द वर्ड इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड बिफोर द नेम ऑफ सम फेमस प्लेसेस, बिल्डिंग, स्टैच्यूज एंड बुक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द Himalaya. It's a name of mountain, so we had written the. Then likewise the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. It is also one. एक ही है Indian Ocean और it's a name of ocean. So we had written the. Then the Taj Mahal. It's a name of famous place, a famous monument. So we had written the. Then the Bible, Bible, Bible. It's a name of book. So we had written the Bible. Likewise the Ramayana and etc. So I hope that you all understand where we write the, where we write a and where we use n. Now there are three words we had just learned about. They are a, n and the. They are called articles. These articles are actually adjectives that qualify noun. These articles are actually what? Adjectives that qualify nouns. A and n are used before nouns that are singular in number. A और n कब लगता है? ऐसे nouns के आगे जो singular in number होता है. जबकि द कब लगता है? Before noun that are singular और plural in number. द दोनों के लिए लगता है, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल दोनों के लिए. ऑलराइट, आई होप दैट यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड टुडेज क्लास. नाउ लेट्स सी टेक्स्ट बुक वर्क. नाउ यू कैन ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टेक्स्ट बुक वर्क. डियर किड्स, ये सब आपको नहीं लिखना है, ये सिर्फ मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए ही लिखा है. Now open your textbook and let's see textual work. Open textbook page number 55, chapter number 13, A and the. What are these chapters known as? Articles. इसको और क्या बोलते हैं हम? Articles. And write down today's date, that is 24/6/20. Now let's see. The 5 letters on the board are the vowels A, E, I, O, U, जो कि हमने already देखा. Now अब क्या पूछ रहे हैं? Write any 5 word each starting with one of the 5 vowels. कोई भी 5 words लिखने हैं जो start किससे होते हैं? vowel से. So dear kids, ये आपका होमवर्क है. टिक करके यहाँ पे लिख लो होमवर्क. कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. क्या करना है? राइट एनी 5 वर्ड्स ईच स्टार्टिंग विथ वन ऑफ द 5 वोवेल. जैसे कि मैंने लिखा पहले एप्पल, फिर मैंने लिखा एलिफेंट. नेक्स्ट वोवेल है आई. सो यू कैन राइट इग्लू. ओ यू कैन राइट ऑरेंज. यू कैन राइट अम्ब्रेला और यूनिकॉर्न. नो, यूनिकॉर्न विल बी नॉट कमिंग क्योंकि अभी हमने एग्जाम्पल में देखा. सो यू से आप क्या लिख सकते हो? अम्ब्रेला. Alright. Now, if these 5 letters are vowel, what are the other letters? They are consonant. Write any 6 word that start with a consonant. अब आपको कोई भी 6 consonant words, consonant letter वाले word लिखने हैं. तो चलो लिख लेते हैं. पहला बॉल, दूसरा कैट, तीसरा ये आपकी एक्टिविटी है. चलो ये तो बहुत इजी है, आप घर पे कर लीजिएगा. चलो कर लेते हैं. सी से कैट, डी फॉर डॉग. नाउ यू विल से कि मैम तो सब कुछ होमवर्क में ही दे देते हैं, तो इसलिए हम यही करवा देते हैं. ओके. देन आई विल राइट एम फॉर मंकी एज इट्स ऑल्सो एन कॉन्सोनेंट. देन पी फॉर पार्क आई एम राइटिंग हियर. देन I will write star. See how easy it is. I had completed. Let's see this one also. I for igloo. Erase. Don't write it homework. Okay, we will complete it here only. Then O for orange, and then U for umbrella. Now read this story and look at the use of a and the. I saw a squirrel and an owl on my way to school. The squirrel had an apple. The owl had a nut. The squirrel shared the apple with the owl. Here, as you can see, when we are talking about a squirrel, here S is what? Consonant sound word. That's why they had written a. And O is vowel sound words. That's why they had written N. And then when the word is repeating, जैसा कि अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने रूल्स में देखा, वर्ड या लेटर, वर्ड अगर रिपीट होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? द लिखते हैं. Then they had written the squirrel had an apple. A is again vowel sound word. The owl had a nut. And a nut. Here nut is what? Consonant sound word. The squirrel shared the apple with the owl. The is apple. The apple with the owl. Here the is what? Apple is repeating. Here also we had written and here also they had written. So that's why we had written the. I hope that you all understand the use of a, an and the. See here, we use a before word that begins with a consonant sound. We use an before word that begins with the vowel sound. Then we use the before words when we mention them the second time. यानी कि जब हम second time कोई भी word को mention करते हैं तब हम the लगाते हैं, जैसे कि हमने अभी rules में भी पढ़ा. Now let's see the exercise portion for your better understanding. Now here in exercise, complete the sentence with a and the. We need to fill in the blanks with a and the. Let's see the first one. We saw a lion at the zoo. हमने एक लायन को zoo में देखा. As L is what? Consonant, so we had written a. Now we are repeating lion. Dash lion was sleeping, so we will write the lion was sleeping. Then B1, is that an orange? Please give me the orange. Okay. Is that an orange? Please give me the orange. Here orange is repeating in the sentence. That's why we had written the. And an orange, why we had written? Because O is vowel. Very good. Now come to the C1. Sing a song. Sing the alphabet song. Here we have particularly mentioned alphabet song. That's why we had written sing the alphabet song. And we had written because S is consonant. Now turn the page. Come to page number 56. Now in page number 56, D1 is I want an apple. Can I have the green apple? Here also particularly mentioned. That's why we had written the. Then Hari went to an island last year. The island was beautiful. Then F1 is I found an eraser in the class. I gave the eraser. Here why we had written the? Because eraser is repeating in the sentence. That's why we had written the eraser. I gave the eraser to the class teacher. So dear kids, we write A and N with singular word only. We write the with both singular and plural words. जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बताया. So here the example is a boy. So the boy. An apple. The apples. Singular and plural दोनों में the का यूज होता है, whereas A और N का यूज होता है सिर्फ singular के साथ. Now question number 2. Complete the story using A and the. This question is your homework. आपको क्या करना है, ये स्टोरी को कंप्लीट करना है A, N और द के साथ. आपको अ कहाँ लगाना है? जब कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड हो. N कहाँ लगाना है? जब वोवेल साउंड हो. और द कहाँ लगाना है? जब कोई भी वर्ड अपने आप को रिपीट कर रहा हो या फिर हम पर्टिकुलरली किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तब. I hope that you will be able to do this. I had written first line as an example for you. I saw an eagle flying. Soon the eagle landed to catch a mouse. N क्यों लगाया मैंने यहाँ पे? क्योंकि E था, वोवेल वर्ड है ये. Soon the eagle क्यों लगाया? यहाँ पे भी वोवेल वर्ड है, लेकिन मैंने N क्यों नहीं लगाया? क्योंकि eagle रिपीट हो रहा है, इसलिए मैंने the लगाया. To catch a mouse. अ क्यों लिखा माउस के आगे? बिकॉज M is consonant. Now rest is your homework. You have to do it by your own. If you face any difficulty, feel free to ask me. And tomorrow we are going to discuss the answers of this question. Till then, bye. Keep studying. Take care and thank you.